Hey guys, I'm John from Terra-Sect. In this video, we'll be taking a look at some of the most innovative and exciting toys that are sure to capture the imagination of kids of all ages. From high-tech gadgets and robots to classic toys with a modern twist, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're looking for educational toys to help your child learn and grow or just some fun new toys to keep them entertained, you're sure to find something here that will spark your creativity and imagination. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover some of the coolest toys of the future. Misa. Misa is a robotic companion who will assist you in not feeling overwhelmed by all of the things you have to do and will always be aware of what's going on in any family, no matter how big or small. It's a toy that can keep your child occupied for hours. It can talk to them while their parents are busy, dance, and play a variety of educational and fun games with them. The robot also has many other useful functions. For instance, can act as a smart speaker, turn on an alarm, set a timer, find information on the internet, book a hotel, or suggest a recipe for the day. It can also be sent to patrol the house because it has a built-in camera and a sound recorder so the owner can see and hear what's going on at home while they're away. You can also use Miso to make video calls and watch movies. It can even be programmed to care for the elderly. It will remind them to take their pills. It also has a lot of useful features. Miso removes around the house completely on her own, seeing and avoiding obstacles. It will cost you at least $40. High Wonder Spider Pie. A fun and useful toy made by the Chinese company High Wonder. It can teach its owner and the basics of programming. It has a high-resolution camera that can recognize colors and help track objects. The robot uses ultrasound to find obstacles and successfully navigate around them. It also supports the ability to follow visual lines, so if you know how to use it, it turns into a toy that never lets you get bored. The robot has endless possibilities because it can be programmed with coding to do a variety of tricks. You can buy it for $580. Terra-Sect Rolling Lizard. Even though this RC toy won't teach you anything special, it will keep a restless child entertained and replace several other toys. The secret of the Terra-Sect Lizard is that it has two functional positions in the upright position. When bent, it rides like a normal car, starts to roll like a wheel, and successfully overcomes obstacles and stairs. The price of the Terra-Sect Lizard starts at $18. HHD H6. We're willing to bet that the next product will please passionately fans of RC toys because it combines two toys in one. The HHD H6 is a motorcycle that transforms into a drone in seconds with a few manipulations. The wheels of the vehicle are at the same time the propellers of the drone. The advantage of the toy, however, do not end there. The HHD H6 has a high-quality camera that takes pictures and videos and sends them to the owner's smartphone in real time over Wi-Fi. Some people might think that this feature is pointless because it is impossible to get a sharp picture from a moving non-professional drone, but you would be wrong because the developers gave the drone the ability to hover motionless in the air, reducing the number of vibrations to nothing. The device can be controlled with a special remote control or again with the smartphone. The battery is enough power to fly for 8 minutes or ride on the ground for 15 minutes. The control range is about 40 or 50 meters and the cost is about $57. Ganker. Most modern toys are usually made for one person, which makes the OZ Robotics Ganker a robot more valuable. This toy is made to spend time with friends and gives you the chance to try your hand at robot battles. The controls are fairly easy to understand and can be used with a special app on your phone. You will need to train the developers of Ganker robots in order to win a battle against another player. You can also improve your skills by inventing and customizing the robot's weapons and armor components, making each robot unique. Advanced players can code special commands and movements for the robot. It's important to note that even though the toys are fighting, they don't actually hurt each other, so you won't get hurt. On the other hand, robots don't actually hit each other. Instead, they just touch each other. These touches are read by special sensors, and that's how the game decides which rival has more winning points. One robot costs $400. Silverlit Robot Chameleon. If your child wants a pet but isn't quite ready for one yet, you could give them a robotic animal like this adorable chameleon, which can change its back color and use its tongue to move objects or pick up special tokens that can be used as food. It costs about $40. Bomb Sterling Peugeot AP172. As you know, not all toys are made just for kids. Some have intricate designs and intricate details that can only be appreciated by adults. The car you see on your screen is one of those toys. It's a Peugeot AP172 from Baum Sterling. This is a collective model of Peugeot quadrillite that was made in the 1920s. The interesting and important thing about the toy is that it doesn't have a radio control. Instead, the people who made it put in a small 4-cylinder engine in a car that drives the rear wheels. The Peugeot AP172 can move for 10 minutes before the engine needs time to cool down. The screws are made of stainless steel, the radiator grille, headlight bezels, and wheels are all made of brass. The main material is aluminum. It's important to note that the car is also a construction set. It will take 3 hours to put together and it will cost about $480. Power treads. Let's return to RC cars. The majority of them share a common flow. They can only drive on smooth surfaces and if they accidentally run out onto bare grounds or grass. Power treads, on the other hand, is a toy that is an exception to this rule. Its unique shape gives the machine amazing cross-country mobility for its size. It moves over all types of surfaces and playfully overcomes obstacles. This means that you can create obstacle courses for it. Power treads cost $30. Air Hug Stunt Shot. Let's wrap up our video with another amazing radio-controlled car. As you can see, the main feature of this stunt shot from Air Hug's toy is its huge soft wheels. These wheels allow the vehicle to get into the most unexpected places and over obstacles. And they also keep the furniture and people around it safe from damage when it moves on delicate surfaces. The toy costs $25. Thanks for watching our video showcasing 9 cool toys for the next generation. We hope you enjoyed seeing all the amazing toys that are available for kids today. From high-tech drones to interactive robots, there's no shortage of fun and educational toys to inspire creativity and innovation. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content, and we'll see you in the next video.